What's going on, YouTube? Official Keith here. Today we have the Joby GorillaPod 3K kit. Now the reason why this is a kit is because you can actually order this without the ball head, so just the stand itself, but it's considered to be a kit just because it comes with the ball head. It also comes with that leveler there that'll help you get the straightest shots as possible. But I wanted to talk about this because I've seen a lot of videos out of a new device that's out that you can, and I forget the name of it, but it's a piece and you can flip a button or something, and two of the other legs, they'll flip out, and then it's all good, right? And the videos that I've seen kind of have the same sentiment where they're ready to just kind of put Joby to the side a little bit to try to go forward with the new device. Now, it could be a paid endorsement, it could be a number of things, but me personally, I've watched enough of those videos to decide for myself that I'm going to stick with this guy right here. There's several reasons why I'm going to stick with this device, and this is the 3K kit, like I said, but there's also a 5K kit, which I feel like I need to go ahead and get that, because when I use my 18 to 135, which is this guy right here, when I use that lens, it's kind of hard to adjust the balance. But when I use my kit lens like I'm using now, then it's perfect. I mean, I make it work with that 18 to 135. Don't get it twisted, because I don't have the money to just go out and buy any and everything. So I definitely make it work, but I'm gonna get the 5K kit just for that lens and larger, because I'm on this Canon device. But that's another thing altogether. But anyway, I'm sticking with the Joby for a lot of reasons. One is because you learn something new every day. You know that old adage, you learn something new every day. I was watching a video with it was a ShawnBNice video, and he was talking about what's in his bag, and I believe that's the video. And he was talking about how he used one of these, but the way that he used it, which I didn't even know, or I wasn't thinking, but I think he uses it. Get this thing going. So he has a configuration kind of like this, where he can hold this like a stabilizer. Now, mind you, yeah, you gotta fold and do whatever, but he uses it like a stabilizer. And I just never thought about doing that. Like, all this time that I've had this, I've never thought about using this as a stabilizer. So that's definitely going to be a video in the future with me shooting video using this as a stabilizer. But that's one of the reasons. Another reason, just mainly, I've always wanted one of these. Like, I've seen a lot of people use these. I've seen people get some crazy shots having this wrapped around a tree or a pole or something, and get some insane shots. And I feel like that's something that I'll be able to do, later on down the road. But I mean, the brand itself is good, and I'm not saying that no other company or anything can improve upon products, because I think as a society we live off of improving upon, so I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying, me personally, I'm sticking with Joby for sure. I don't like I said, I've had no issues with this. Yeah, it might take me a little bit of time to get the legs the way that I need them, but in the end, in the finished product, they work out fine. Another reason why I like this is because to me it's just easy to hold, especially if you're doing a vlog. I know I did a video a little bit ago, and I was walking up and down the street, and I was using this GorillaPod here, and to me it felt fine. Like, I mean, you're gonna get arm fatigue, and that's gonna be depending on the device that you're using, the lens that you're using, but as far as holding the unit itself, it was fine. Like, I didn't have any issues, holding it in my hand or anything. So, and plus, the way that the legs are with these pods, and then the space between the pods, it just makes it easy to get your fingers to be able to grip it a lot better, or for me at least. It may not be like this for everybody, but it is for me. But yeah, I think that was a good design decision to do that. And then just the ball head itself, like you can turn that, make it as loose as you need it to be, get it to where you want it to be, and then tighten that bad boy up. Easy release. And that's another thing with this. I like the leveler that's on here. This has saved a few shots for me, this leveling system here. So easy slide in and you're good to go there. So in all, man, I'm staying with this brand, the Joby brand. I'm staying with them. I'm pretty sure they're going to make even better products. They're going to improve on the existing products, and we'll keep it moving. Now, I'm not saying that I'm not going to try other products, especially if the price is right, because I'll definitely try those products for sure. But for right now, I'm going to stick with this one. As always, thanks for taking some time out to watch my videos. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, this is Official Keith, and now official. We'll see you later.